Good morning, everyone. It's a pleasure and honor to be here. I'm grateful to Mr. Das Gupta and Mr. Mohan and the retiring community for inviting me here. I spent a number of years working for the World Bank, and what I'll be sharing with you is a USP of sorts, if you like, a tool for policy reform and for people to get involved at all levels, presumably and hopefully, and therefore accelerate the process of take-up of literacy. I'd like to begin with a short video because we know that e-learning is a more powerful way. Maybe begin with a video, please.
Widespread literacy can only be accomplished through a people's movement in which the government and private institutions and people arise together in a mission mode. At present rate of conversion and with present efforts, it will take at least 40 years to make India literate. However, with the people's movement, India can be made literate in a mere 2 years. Most of what it requires is a will combined with easy-to-teach methods that are capable of involving the population so that anyone who is literate can teach at least 1 to 10 individuals.
Global Dream provides a 10 times faster tool than presently available. The toolkits have been developed after 14 years of research, trial and error. In a pilot involving 60,000 children of 150 schools of Lucknow, spent their summer break to teach at least one. Some children taught 9 to 20 children each. It is estimated that 15,000 people were made literate by the children's efforts.
Actually, I had in total taught 9 of them, along with the help of my cousin and her friend. But initially I taught 2 of them. Then they brought all their friends together.
And she always says that, Didi, again you will teach me, again you will teach me.
सर टाइम कम है, 1 घंटे में मतलब अभी तो पढ़ रहे 20-25 दिन तो हो गया सर. जब से मैं बिटिया पढ़ा रही है तब से ये लगता है कि थोड़ा बहुत पढ़ना चाहिए सर.
There are several modes in which the program can be taken up. Working through children as a vehicle for social transformation, involving volunteers in setting up and running dream labs in all pockets of literacy, slums and villages, involving good-willed individuals across the country who commit to teach at least one in their locality.
My name is Rose Hakim and my husband and I are living here in this Basti, Nai Basti, Bas Mandi for 2 years now. I think the Global Dream project has a lot of potential because it's a great format to help people start reading quickly and quite well.
Volunteers who are willing to go beyond to adopt a village or drive over to a slum.
My name is John Hakim. I was a science teacher in America. Back in April of this year, when I spoke with Sunita Gandhi about her program for learning reading, the Global Dream program, we saw a tool by which we could really start to help people see something new in life, a chance to get educated, a chance to get literate, and maybe a way to not only change their own life, but change the lives of their family and their whole community.
पढ़ना तो बहुत चाहते थे, माने बच्चों को पढ़ा ले जाए यही फायदा है. जब हम पढ़े लिखे रहेंगे तो बच्चे भी पढ़ जाएंगे.
पहले मैं डरती थी, अब डरती नहीं थी. अब विश्वास हर चीज को हो गया कि हम पढ़ लेते हैं, हमको मुझे मालूम है.
मेरा नाम नफीसा है. हम पढ़ लिख के मैम की तरह बच्चों लोग को पढ़ाना चाहते हैं. रोज हम पढ़ने के लिए आधा घंटा देते थे. 2 महीने में पढ़ना लिखना सीख लिया.
पहली रेशमा ये कहेंगी, मतलब वो रेशमा पढ़ नहीं पाती थी, ये रेशमा पढ़ लेती है. तो जाहिर सी बात है आपकी रेशमा ये सही है, पहले की रेशमा नहीं सही है.
Involving university and college students, including BTC and BEd students across the country.
हम लोग को जो किट्स प्रोवाइड करी गई थी, इसमें जैसे कैलेंडर दिया गया था और कुछ फ्लैश कार्ड्स दिए गए थे जिनके थ्रू हमें कुछ एक्टिविटीज करानी थी. एक्चुअली जब हमने ये कैलेंडर के थ्रू पढ़ाना स्टार्ट किया बच्चों को, तो बच्चे काफी अट्रैक्टेड हुए इसकी तरफ, क्योंकि एक तो उसमें जो पिक्चर्स थी, कलरफुल पिक्चर्स थी, और वो पढ़ाने का तरीका, जो साउंड्स हम लोग उनको बेसिकली बोलते थे कि आप साउंड बताइए, तो उससे उनको इंटरेस्ट आ रहा था थोड़ा उसमें.
Involving the government teachers is another way to outreach effectively. For example, in Karoli village, government teachers did a household survey to identify the target populations and community-based volunteers and hosts for the Dream Labs.
हमारा विषय मजदूरी है।
तो क्या अगर आपको पढ़ाया जाए जी कि आप और इससे अधिक तेज प्रवाह में, धारा प्रवाह में पढ़ सकें,
जरूर
तो
पढ़ना चाह रहे हैं।
समय देंगे आप पढ़ने के लिए?
जरूर देंगे।
अच्छा जी, धन्यवाद।
बिल्कुल देंगे।
चलिए ठीक है।
In collaboration with the District Magistrate of Lucknow District, the entire district is going to replicate the Karoli village experience.
आपके घर के पास ही आपको पढ़ने के लिए सुविधा दी जाएगी। आपके आसपास के जो आपके गांव के लोग ही हैं, उनमें से ही कोई व्यक्ति आपको शिक्षित करेगा। सारी चीजें उनको बताई थी। कुछ लोग हुए, कुछ लोग पढ़ना चाहते थे, लेकिन अच्छा काम है तो अगर नॉन पेड भी है तो कोई बात नहीं है।
Scaling up options are being explored by the Chief Secretary of Uttar Pradesh. There are many other issues to consider. For example, children out of school are the most vulnerable lot. It is assumed that all kids are at school, but in reality, a vast number of children, for whatever reasons, are unable to attend school.
The National Literacy Mission Program, a program by the central government, is not present in 80 districts in India, including Lucknow district. So technically, these districts won't become literate until something is done about it.
Global Dream is being made available in 14 national languages. Modalities include toolkits, cool kits and mobile apps. Collaboration is being sought from everyone who is willing to participate. We look forward to collaborating with Rotary International.
The PPT, please. Kofi Annan, he said, literacy is the bridge from misery to hope. There are some disturbing trends as we look at the problem of literacy in India. Firstly, the problem is vast. According to a UNESCO report last year, 37.4% of the world's adult illiterate population is Indian. In our own census, 26% of India's population is illiterate. Disturbing is the fact that illiteracy is growing, not coming down over the years, despite all government efforts. Against a decadal growth rate of 11.7% between 2001 and 2011, there's been a 17.6% rise in population. So we're in a lost battle of sorts. Clearly, we need to do something to accelerate literacy beyond what is going on with the government efforts. Children are a vulnerable lot. It's assumed all the children go to school, but even government data shows a vast number of children are out of school, and they are literally nobody's children. They are children of migrant laborers, children who just cannot, their reality does not permit them to attend school. There's no recognition of that by anyone. So Global Dream, is that a solution? Could that help? It's been developed after 14 years. I'm an educator. My family runs schools in Lucknow. We've been working, I worked for the World Bank for 10 years on education policy. The efforts that we have made always assume there's a teacher, there's a classroom, there's a fixed location, a fixed timing, and reality of many, many people does not permit them to fit that mold. So after many, many trials, I felt a year ago that we had to drop all old ways of thinking, think out of the box and come up with something really much more suitable to the needs of these people who are on the street and whose realities do not allow them to enter school. So we did a pilot in April 2014 after some initial developments, and with school children going out to the villages and bringing them to school and or even teaching in the local communities. And then in the summer break last year, for months of May and June, we had a large-scale pilot in which 66,000 children of over 150 schools of Lucknow and nearby cities got involved. And this was absolutely phenomenal, a hair-raising kind of experience by which at least 15,000 people, young and old, were made literate. Data shows that it took about 15 hours to make an average person literate by this program, which is truly capable of teaching children in a very, very short span of time. It's a very simple toolkit with 3 little booklets that are 12 to 16 pages long, and it teaches them a lot more than we can perhaps imagine. Just prior to this version, we had 25 booklets doing the same job. So the 3 little booklets, then there are games and activities, hands-on materials, tactile materials. There's a pre-test and a post-test. So before beginning the teaching, we take a pre-test, how much do they know, and we give marks. Then, of course, after teaching, they need to learn that as well. Then following that, we are in collaboration with NIOS and the NLM, National Literacy Mission of India. We're developing a test process and a certification process where they can be given a certification of class 3 level at the end of this literacy program. So how does it work? There's a Bina Mata Wali book, for example. It begins as a phonic and visual way of working. We start with the known and go to the unknown. Known is the anar and unknown is the sound and the symbol for So even the sound is known, but not the symbol of So we go with anar, battak, ba, ba, ab. So in the very first session of 15 minutes, there's instant gratification for the learner, because in the very first 15 minutes, the learner learns 6 words and 10 letters backwards, which they would probably do in a year or 2 in regular schooling. That they'll be able to read ab, bas, par, ghar, tak, chal, which they're doing here very, very quickly. Bas, bas, par, par, ghar, ghar, tak, tak, chal, chal. And by going from the known to the unknown and phonically teaching them, it's so much faster. We had no idea the working backwards would work so fast. Field results have been most exciting. So this is captured as lesson 1. And from the lesson, there are only 5 lessons to teach the entire Hindi alphabet. The 48 letters can be taught by just 5 of these pages as shown above. So we do word combinations, and then we do letter combinations. These are the letter combinations, and if they can read this, complete abstraction has taken place. This takes about 2 sessions of 15 minutes each, sometimes half an hour each. Just 2 sessions get them to read this much. Going back to this is how the pages are organized. First lesson, 10 letters, 6 words, and 5 sentences. So what does data show? Data shows that this is when children have been teaching, it's taken 35 days or 15 hours to make a child or an adult literate on average. Pre-test, some of them were a little more literate than others. They had 11 out of 60. That means they knew a few letters of the Hindi alphabet. And after post-test, this is the average, 47 out of 60. And that's within a month, they all became literate. Alok Ranjan, our Chief Secretary of Uttar Pradesh, who's on the board of this Global Dream Mission, he says all it required, that is in Ernakulam and those efforts that have been successful across India, all it required was commitment, inspiration, coordination, dedication, and above all, mobilization of all groups of society towards the attainment of one goal, literacy. And so how do we create a people's movement? Well, here are some of the modalities. We have toolkits, very simple. Anyone can buy these. They don't cost much at all. Cool kits that are like little mobile labs. You can put in a car, go anywhere and start a lab on your own homes. Doesn't cost much at all. There's mobile apps, which are being developed right now. Costs are next to nothing to educate anyone. You just take a mobile and turn the pages and teach your servant or domestic helper. It takes no time at all. And the Power of One schools that are being planned as alternative schooling systems that they're accelerated anytime, anywhere schools that can enroll adults as much as children who are out of school. And then there's an effort to also improve quality of education at government schools. So we build labs like this shown here in the slums. These are more elaborate labs, but very simple ones are cool kids, and they do the job. So we've got the summer assignment, then we've got the school-based labs, we've got the skill development and literacy aspects, we've got the community-based labs and the municipal schools program. Lots of meetings, lots of discussion, lots of mobilizing of people and forces across the world, even to some extent, and NGO community, pensioners, the DM, the lot, and even Kiran Bedi. So here's our first lab and training center. So what is Global Dream? How is Global Dream different? Firstly, it's 10 to 20 times faster. And that is its great strength. If we can make a person literate within a month, isn't that amazing? And we can do it. All of us can do it. It costs next to nothing. 1/100th of the cost of a national literacy mission, and I don't know the cost of TCS. I assume quite a lot less, because you need technology. Here, it's nuts and bolts kind of technology initially. It's simple enough, or minimum or no training is required, which is required by a lot of the programs that are in place. Even young children, and this is where we experimented with 66,000 children, see if class 3 children, class 5 children, class 8 children can go out and teach anyone, adult or young, and make them literate within the summer break, and it happened. It captures the imagination of young and old. Anyone thinks, oh, I can adopt this, I can get going, and so forth. So it's, if you compare it anywhere versus fixed location, anytime versus fixed timings, anyone versus trained volunteers, 20-minute sessions versus 2-hour sessions, 30 hours versus 300 hours, or perhaps of the TCS 60 hours, it's rupees 50 to 200. That is, if you're not doing large scale, just taking one of these and teaching, it's more expensive. Or if you teach with a lab just 10 people, then it's more expensive. But if you look at the cost, it's nothing, more or less when we teach through labs or mobile labs, the costs are going to be something like rupees 10 per person. Learning to read from the first session, neoliterates are literate and numerate, they're not just signing. And that is a very big plus. They're not just signing, which is what neoliterate surveys have shown, that after 6 or 8 months of working with them, they don't know much at all. Here, they will know, they'll be able to read a newspaper right in front of you. So it's creating a people's movement. Everyone can participate, no age bar. Schools, colleges, corporations, and lighthouses. No one should be illiterate in the neighborhood of a community, of a corporation, of a school, of a college. It's being made in several languages. I brought with me the Marathi version since I was coming to Maharashtra. So I'd like you to look at that. There's no quicker, easier, more affordable program that we are aware of. And it can, if we have the will, we connect with everyone and we make this possible, we get the government on board like we're trying to do in Uttar Pradesh, I think we can have India literate within 2 to 5 years and not 50 years. So why is literacy a better predictor of, we say income is very important, yes, it's very, very important, but literacy provides the fuel for people to go out, make an income. It provides them the propelling force, the hope, the direction, the self-esteem that makes them go out and do things. And I think the data shows that literacy has one effort has million benefits. Illiteracy is a better predictor of public health. Poverty gap, a study shows that has, even if you do 25% increase in income, it has the same impact as 4% increase in literacy. Literacy is the only significant predictor of public health. If you look at the CSR 2% requirement, 6 of the 10 that are the required aspects of investment in CSR, highly correlated are first 6. Eradication of extreme hunger and poverty, promotion of education. Obviously, literacy is the first step in the peg of education, promoting gender equality, empowering women, reducing child mortality, improving maternal health, combating HIV, AIDS, malaria, other diseases. Obviously, it really leads to that. We have a third booklet that raises awareness, ensuring environmental sustainability, and so forth. Benefits counters fear, better informed citizens, more democratic participation, boost self-esteem, more children mainstream, population control, reduction in crime, and other things. So maybe Global Dream is an effective tool for widespread literacy, a Mahabhiyan of sorts that we can get into with very simple tool like this. Biggest barrier is funding to print toolkits, school kits, and the app in different languages, to support a secretariat to coordinate all relationships. Huge potential. Thank you for inviting me to work out modalities of collaboration with Rotary International's Teach India campaign. Jai Jagat, Jai Hind.